Ever wished you could send that crucial WhatsApp message at the perfect time, even when you're busy or asleep? Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't offer built-in scheduling on iPhones, but fear not. We'll explore a clever workaround using a third-party app. Head to your app store. Search for Shortcuts. It's a free automation app by Apple. And if you don't already have it, download it now. Once installed, open the Shortcuts app. This is where the magic happens. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action in the search bar. Type text and select the text action. Now type the message you want to schedule into the text field. Next, tap the plus icon again, and this time, search for WhatsApp. Select Send Message via WhatsApp. You'll see your text from the previous step automatically linked now. Tap on the Recipients field and choose the contact you want to send the message to. Tap the settings icon it looks like to switches at the top of the screen, and then tap Add to Home Screen. Give your shortcut a name like Scheduled WhatsApp Message, and you can even change the icon to the WhatsApp logo for easy identification. Tap Add. Back in the Shortcuts app, tap the Automation tab at the bottom, then tap the plus button in the top right corner. Choose Create Personal Automation, and then select Time of Day. Set the specific time and date you want your message to be sent. Tap Next, then tap Add Action. Search for and select Run Shortcut. Then choose the scheduled WhatsApp message shortcut you created earlier. Tap Next and, very importantly, toggle off Ask before running. This allows the message to send automatically. Confirm by tapping Don't Ask, then tap Done. That's it. Your message is now scheduled. Your iPhone will automatically send the message at the time you specified. Now you can set those reminders or birthday wishes without even having to think about it.